Good morning. Thanks for joining in. Today I'm going to make a kofta curry or meatball curry. One of my most favorite curries, goes incredibly well with gram flour curry and plain rice. Also goes quite well by itself with naan bread or chapati or plain rice or pulao rice. So there are two parts of making it. He's making the meatballs and also making the curry and then putting the two of them together. So the spices between the curry and the meatballs are quite similar. So we make them together, and to choose the spices, I have got these spices. I got salt, coriander powder, chili powder, paprika powder. I got poppy seeds, black peppercorns, green cardamoms, and they are all going to go into my spice blender to mix them together. So here's the mince for my meatballs. It will make about 12 meatballs, is about half a kilogram in weight. So the spices I've just grounded, it is about 11 teaspoonfuls in there. So I'm going to put about 5 into my meatballs. So 5 will go in there. The rest of the spice will go into my curry. I got some methi or fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi, dried fried onions, and a bit of ginger to the meatballs. Mix them together. Next thing we are adding is some egg to bind the meat together. I'm not using the whole egg because it will become too runny and the meatballs won't be well formed. Mix it well together, and once it's mixed for 2-3 minutes, put it on the side to rest while we make our curry. So for the curry, take some cooking oil, and I have blended some onions. They're roughly blended, they're not completely mushed up. So we are going to cook these onions until they are golden brown. Our onions are now golden brown. Into it I am adding cumin seeds, piece of cinnamon stick, freshly grated ginger and garlic. Going to cook this until the raw smell of the garlic is gone. Once the garlic is cooked, add the other half of our ground spices. Cook for another couple of minutes. Keep the heat low. Once the spices are cooked, add 2 tablespoonfuls of yogurt. Cook for about 5 minutes until the yogurt is cooked. So once the yogurt is cooked, put your meatballs in there. I got about 11 here from half a kilogram of mince. I have not cooked my meatballs before putting them in the curry. Some people fry them before, so you need extra 10 minutes to cook these meatballs in the curry so they are well cooked through and through. Add water until the meatballs are covered. Don't touch your meatballs, don't stir them around for the next 15-20 minutes, otherwise they start breaking. Cover your pot with a lid and let it cook on low heat until the meatballs are cooked, which will take about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, after an hour, our meatballs are ready. Our koftas. Going to garnish it with some fresh coriander. Just going to try a meatball. It was tender. It is cooked through and quite tender. Lovely. Tastes really, really nice. Lovely spices in it. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, thank you for watching.